Looks like the new seals are holding up well. That was a good little test for it. I did a couple of hours widening this track. This is my four-wheel drive access road. I made this track years ago with a Yanmar 5-tonner, and it's just always been a little bit too narrow to get around some of the corners. So I walked my way down the hill today and widen up any parts that are a wee bit narrow, and just make it a bit easier to get up and down with the vehicles. Alright, this is halfway down the hill. It's quite a steep corner to get around. The Hilux even slips going up here sometimes after a rain, so I'll just try and go a wee bit deeper into that bank, make the turning circle a bit wider, and try and flatten off that camber a little bit. So I'll sit up here and dig my way down and just sort of try and go through there. There is a bit of a clearing further down. Once I can work my way through to there, I'll be able to sit on a nice platform and swing it around a bit. Pull out these stumps. So that's the plan for today. Oh well, that's coming along nicely. I've gone into that bank a couple of metres and it's widened that corner up nicely, but I need to take it down a bit more because the incline is a wee bit steep down there, so I'll skim a bit more off it and try and make it less steep on that part. It's a wee bit tricky doing it all with the digging bucket, so what I'll do is go and get the old Bristol Dozer, bring that down, have a wee play on it. I think it'll be easier to get a good grade with that rather than trying to scrape it down with the bucket. So I'll go and get the Bristol and bring it down. Oh, that's so much better. I didn't skid at all going up there. You can see how much wider I can go now. I've taken the track over 3 metres, so I can avoid that really steep bit up the middle there, so that's a lot better. And also I've got a nice area to turn around there if I need to. So mission accomplished. The old excavator's going really well now. No more leaks from that arm ram. These boom rams are leaking a bit, so when I get it back up the top, I'll do those. But yeah, apart from that, it's going really well. And the old Bristol doing its thing. 70 years old and it's still going strong. It's amazing what it can push actually. It cleared that area a lot quicker than I could have done with the digger, with that digging bucket, so yeah, it's good having both of them. So what I'll do now on the way up, I'll just put the trench bucket on, and I'll do the drainage on the way back up. You can see I need to cut a drainage ditch down here and just follow that bank down. Otherwise the rainwater's just going to follow the track down and make it all muddy. So I'll do that on the way back up. Anyway, I'll carry on down and do some more narrow parts. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.